Hey all maths enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. Today in this video we will be learning about the new method of finding the square roots. With this method we can find the square roots of perfect squares as well as imperfect squares. The beauty of this method is that we can find the square root of any number, be it 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, be it perfect square or imperfect square. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join a mathematical journey. So now let's start learning this method. Now in this method, we will find the square root of imperfect squares. That means that the answer will come in the decimal. In this method, we use the division technique of solving the questions. Now, the first question we have taken as a perfect square in order to make you understand the concept. Now here, please understand this concept very carefully. Now let's start arranging the digits. So we'll write 3, 2, 4, 9 over here. Now, this part we will write the answer and here we will take the divisor. Now, first of all, we'll arrange the digits in pairs starting from the right. So, here we get two pairs, 32 and 49. Now, let's take the pair of 32. So, now in order to find out the divisor, first of all, we'll take the number whose square is near to 32. So, let's find out. So, 4 square we get is 16. 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. As we can see that the square of 6 is bigger than 32, so we will take 5 as a divisor. So we'll write 5 over here and 5 in the answer part. So 5 square is 25, so minus 25 here. 32 minus 25 we get 7. So we write 7 over here and we will drop the next pair now, that is 49. So here we get 749 as the next dividend. Now we have to find the next divisor. In order to find out the next divisor, we will add the units place to it. So we have 5, so plus 5, we get 10. Now 10 over here. Now this is a part of a divisor. Now how to find the whole divisor? So here, in the divisor, we will add a number and multiply with the same number in order to get this next dividend. So here, let's try with 6 first. 106 multiplied by 6. So whichever number we are adding here, we'll multiply with the same number. So it will get 6 6 are 36 and 6 1s are 6. So 636. As we can see that 636 is quite smaller than 749. So here we will try with 7 also. So 1 0. Here we'll write 7 and multiply with 7 only. So 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So it's going completely by 7. So we'll write 7 over here and 7 in the answer. Minus 749, so the remainder is 0. So the answer is 57. So the square root of 3249 is 57. So now let's take another example to understand this concept better. Now let's find the square root of 1685. So 1685 is an imperfect square. So the answer will come in the decimal. So now let's start. So now let's first arrange the digits. So it's 1, 6, 8, 5. Now this side we'll write the answer and this side we'll write the divisor. Now before everything, we have to first arrange the digits in the pairs. So we'll start from the right hand side. So here 85 makes one pair and 16 makes one pair. Now let's come to 16. So we have to find a number which gives the square as 16 or less than 16. So here, square of 3 is 9 and square of 4 is 16. So it's going by 4. 4 over here as a divisor and 4 in the answer part. So minus 16 we get 0. Now we'll drop 85, that is next pair. So the next dividend becomes 85. Now let's find out the divisor. So here first of all, in order to find out the divisor, we will add the same number to the units place. So in the units place we have 4, so we'll add another 4 which we get 8. Now 8 we'll write over here Now, in order to find the next divisor, we have to add the number over here and the same number will be multiplied by this in order to get the number near to 85. So, let's try by 1 first. 1 over here and 1 over here. So, 1 ones are 1 and 8 ones are 8. So, it's going by 1. So, we'll write 1 over here and 1 in the answer part. So, minus 81, we get 4 over here. Now, 4 we're getting as a remainder. Now, we will put the decimal in the answer part, and whenever we put the decimal over here, we will drop 2 zeros over here. So, 2 zeros written. Now, let's find out the next divisor. As we know that we will add the same number at the units place. So, here in the units place there is 1. So, add 1 to it, we get 82. So, now let's find out the divisor. Write 82 over here and we have to add the same number over here and multiply with the same number in order to get the number near to 400. So, let's first take 1 over here and 1 over here. So, we get 821. As we can see that 821 is quite bigger than 400. So, it will go by 0. So, 820 multiplied by 0, we get 0. So, we'll write 0 over here and 0 in the answer part also. So, it gets 400. Now, since there is a decimal, so we will put 2 more zeros over here. Now, let's again find out the divisor. So, here in the units place it's 0. So, again 0 will only be added. So, we get the next divisor as 820 and we need a number over here. So, let's find out. So, 820, we will add the same number over here and multiply by the same number in order to get the answer near to 40,000. So, let's try by 5. 5 5s are 25. Here 5 2s are 10 and 8 5s are 40, 41. So 41,025 is bigger than 40,000. So it will go by 4. So let's try with 4. So 820, 4 over here and multiply by 4 only. So we get 16. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. So 32816. So 4 over here and 4 in the answer part. So, minus 32,816. So, we get 4, 8, 1, 7. So, 7184 is the remainder. We will go up to 2 decimal places only. So, we get the answer as 41.04. Now, the square root of 1685 is 41.04. Now, let's take some more examples. Now, let's find out the square root of 17693. So, now let's arrange the digits. So, we write 17693. This side we get the answer and here we get the divisors. Now, let's arrange the digits in pairs starting from the right hand side. So, 93 as a pair, 76 as a pair and this one is single over here. Let's leave it in the single digit only. Now, the first dividend is 1. So, we have to find the square of a number which is 1 or less than 1. So, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So, it's going by 1. So, we'll write 1 over here as the divisor and 1 in the answer part. Now, 1 minus 1, we get 0. Now, we'll drop 76 over here. And the next thing is we have to find out the next divisor. So, first of all, we'll add the units place in the first divisor. So, here there's 1. So, 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So, 2 is a part of second divisor. Now, let's find out the second divisor. So, here we'll write 2. Now, the same number we'll add over here and multiply by the same number in order to get the number close to 76. So, now let's try by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So, as we can see that it's going by 3 only. But let's try with 4 also. So, write 2, 4 over here and multiply by 4. So, 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 96. So, it's going by 3 only. So, write 3 in the divisor part and 3 in the answer part as well. So, here we get 69. So, 76 minus 69, we get 7 over here. Now, we'll drop the next pair, that is 93. And we will find the next divisor also. So here in the units place there is 3. So add same number 3 to it. We get 26. Now let's find the divisor. So it's 26. Now we have to add the same number over here and multiply with the same number in order to get the number near to 793. So let's try by 3 again. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18 and 3 2s are 6 and 7. So it's 789, which is very near to 793. So write 3 over here in the divisor part and 3 in the answer part as well. So minus 789, we get 4 in the dividend part. Now 4 we've got as a remainder. So we will put decimal over here and put 2 zeros over here. Now let's find out the divisor part. So here in the units place we have 3. So add another 3. We get 266. Now here we have to find the divisor. So 266, we have to add the same number and multiply by same number in order to get the number near to 400. Let's try with 1 first. So here we get 1 ones are 1. 266. So as we can see, it's quite a bigger number, so it will go only by 0. So 260 multiply by 0, we get 0. So 0 in the divisor part and 0 in the answer part as well. Minus 0, we get 400. Now here we will drop 2 more zeros over here and again we'll find out the divisor. In the divisor part, we have 0 as the units place. So we'll add another 0 over here. We get 2660. And now let's find another divisor. So 2660. We have to add another number here and multiply with the same number in order to get the number near to 40,000. So it will go only by 1. So let's try by 1. We get 26601. So now when we minus 26601, we get 99331. 13399 is the remainder and here we get 1 over here and 1 over here. So the final answer we get is 133.01 as the square root of 17693. Now let's take one more example. Now let's take the last example. So here we have to find the square root of a number 65536. Now let's arrange the digits. So 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. Now this side we'll write the answer and here we'll write the divisor. Now let's arrange the digits first. So 36 as one pair, 55 as one pair and 6 is single over here. Now let's find out a number whose square is near to 6. So here square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. So it's going by square of 2. So 2 as a divisor and 2 in the answer part. Now minus 4, we get 2. Now drop 55. Now the next dividend is 255. Now here we'll find out the divisor. So in order to find out the divisor, we will add the earlier divisor with the units place. So here the earlier divisor is 2 and add 2 which is already in the units place. So we get 4. Now let's find out the divisor. So 4 over here. Now we have to add the same number here and multiply with the same number in order to get the number near to 255. So let's try by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20, so 225. So here as we can see it's going by 5. So 5 over here and 5 in the answer part. So the next divisor comes is 45. Now minus 225, we get 30 as the remainder. Now we'll drop another pair, that is 36. Now the next dividend we get is 3036. Now the next part is we have to find the new divisor. So here we will add the number at the units place. So here in the units place we have 5. So we will add 5 here, for which we get 50. Now let's find out another divisor. So 50, we have to write the same digit over here and multiply with the same digit in order to get the number near to 3036. So here let's try by 6. So 6 6s are 36, 6 5s are 30. So as we can see that this is fully going by 6. So 6 over here and 6 in the answer part. I'm writing over here. So minus 3036. So the square root of 65536 is 256. With the help of this method, we can find the square root of any number of digits, be it 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, be it perfect square, be it imperfect square. All the square roots can be solved using this trick. This is an amazing trick. The beauty of this trick is that any number can be used to practice this trick. You don't need any particular questions. I hope you guys have understood this method well, and guys, please hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us to make more such learning content for you guys, and share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.